What's up, guys? Happy Thanksgiving. I'm in the kitchen today with my son, Jackson.
What?
And we are heading over to my parents' house today, which is Jackson's grandma. And they're cooking a big turkey dinner, and they've asked us to bring an appetizer. So we are going to make a very easy and healthy spinach dip with pumpernickel bread. We have, what's this, Jax? Spinach.
It's like grass.
It looks like grass, doesn't it? And does spinach make you strong?
See my phone?
We have some water chestnuts, some whole fat sour cream, and some whole fat mayonnaise. I believe as a mom, as a pregnant mommy, that we need full fat food. So nothing non-fat in my house. It's important for children's development, brain health. We like fat here. So this is how we're gonna make it, right? Done mixing the spinach dip. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer it to the fridge and let it chill. Now when I get to my mom's, I'm gonna hollow out this pumpernickel bread when we get to grandma's, okay? And then I'm going to cut up the pieces into cubes, and the hollow part is where the dip's gonna sit, and the cubes will sit around, and that's what we'll use to dip. But for now, let's try the dip with a little cracker. Do you want to try it and show all the kids how you eat your spinach? Okay, here. Good? Try it again. How do you like that? Good? So we want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for joining us. This is a really great way to include some greens in your kids' diet. It's fun, get them involved. And if you guys like this type of thing, please hit the subscribe button and come join us for more kitchen fun. Mwah.